There will be mornings when you wake up carrying the weight of yesterday, wondering how you are supposed to move forward when your mind still remembers everything that went wrong. Maybe you made a mistake, experienced disappointment, lost an opportunity, faced rejection, or simply reached a point where you felt exhausted from trying. But one difficult day does not have the authority to define your future. You are stronger than your worst day, even when you do not feel strong. The way you begin your morning can influence the way you think, act, and respond to everything that follows. Instead of allowing yesterday's problems to become today's identity, give yourself a few quiet moments to choose a different direction. Before you reach for your phone, before you allow other people's opinions to enter your mind, and before you begin thinking about everything that needs to be accomplished, remind yourself that your mind deserves intentional guidance. Inspired by principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, this morning practice begins with a simple understanding. The thoughts you repeatedly accept can influence the beliefs you carry, and the beliefs you carry can influence the actions you take. You do not have to pretend that every problem is easy. You do not have to deny your pain or convince yourself that difficult circumstances do not exist. Instead, you can acknowledge what happened without allowing it to become a permanent definition of who you are. Take a slow breath and tell yourself, with calm conviction, today is a new opportunity. Say it again, not because repeating words magically removes every challenge, but because your attention needs direction. When you deliberately focus on strength, possibility, gratitude, and constructive action, you begin creating a mental environment that supports confidence rather than fear. This is where your morning routine becomes more than a collection of positive statements. It becomes a daily decision to stop surrendering your entire day to yesterday. Imagine waking up and recognizing that you still have choices. You can choose how you speak to yourself. You can choose whether you immediately expect failure or remain open to possibility. You can choose one small action that moves you forward instead of spending another morning replaying everything you cannot change. Confidence is rarely built in one dramatic moment. It grows through small decisions repeated consistently. Each morning, when you keep a promise to yourself, complete one meaningful task, replace one destructive thought with a constructive one, or simply refuse to give up, you strengthen your belief that you can depend on yourself. Your worst day may have tested you, but it does not own you. Your past may explain some of your fears, but it does not have to control your future. Today, you can begin again, and that simple decision may become the first step toward a stronger, calmer, and more confident version of yourself. Now take this idea one step deeper, because a powerful morning routine is not about saying a few positive words and then returning to the same patterns that have been weakening your confidence. The real transformation begins when your morning thoughts become connected to your morning actions. After you wake up, give yourself a few minutes to become still and consciously decide what kind of person you want to be today. You might say, I will not allow yesterday to control today. I will face what comes with patience, courage, and faith in myself. Then choose one small action that proves those words are more than an empty promise. Make your bed, drink a glass of water, take a short walk, write down 3 things you're grateful for, or spend 5 minutes imagining yourself handling the day with confidence. These actions may appear simple, but their value comes from consistency. Every time you do something you promised yourself you would do, you send yourself a powerful message. I can trust myself. That message matters because confidence is not simply believing that everything will go perfectly. Confidence is knowing that even when something goes wrong, you can respond, learn, adjust, and continue. This is where ideas inspired by Dr. Joseph Murphy can become practical rather than merely inspirational. Your mind needs repeated direction, and your daily routine gives that direction structure. If your first thoughts every morning are filled with fear, complaints, comparison, and predictions of failure, you may begin the day fighting against yourself. But if you intentionally create space for constructive thoughts, you give your attention another path to follow. This does not mean ignoring responsibilities or pretending problems are imaginary. It means refusing to make fear your only source of information. When a negative thought appears, pause before accepting it as truth. Ask yourself whether that thought is helping you move forward or simply repeating an old pattern. Then replace it with something more useful and believable. Instead of saying, "I always fail," tell yourself, "I can learn from what happened and improve my next decision." Instead of saying, "I am not capable," remind yourself, "I can develop the skills I need through practice." Instead of saying, "My life will never change," say, "I can change one choice today." These statements become powerful when you act according to them. Your morning should therefore become a meeting with yourself, a quiet moment where you stop reacting and start choosing. You're not required to transform your entire life before breakfast. You only need to take responsibility for the next thought, the next decision, and the next action. Over time, those small choices begin to create a different pattern. You start noticing that difficult situations no longer destroy your confidence as quickly as they once did. You recover faster. You speak to yourself with greater patience. You stop treating every setback as proof that you are incapable. Most importantly, you begin understanding that strength is not the absence of difficult days. Strength is the decision to keep moving when difficult days arrive. Your worst day may have left a scar, but it can also become evidence that you survived something you once believed you could not handle. So tomorrow morning, do not ask yourself whether the day will be perfect. Ask yourself whether you are willing to meet it with a stronger mind, a calmer heart, and one courageous step at a time. That is how an ordinary morning can become the beginning of extraordinary personal change. And now comes the most important part. Carry this mindset beyond the morning and allow it to influence the way you live throughout the entire day. A morning routine can give you a strong beginning, but your real progress is revealed by what you do when life becomes uncomfortable. There will still be unexpected problems, difficult conversations, disappointing news, and moments when your confidence suddenly disappears. When those moments arrive, remember what you practiced earlier. Pause, breathe, and refuse to make one difficult moment bigger than your entire life. You do not need to have every answer immediately. You do not need to feel fearless before taking action. You simply need to remember that you have survived difficult moments before, and you can survive this one too. The person who woke up this morning with the intention to become stronger is still inside you when circumstances become challenging. Let that person make the next decision. If someone criticizes you, do not automatically turn their words into a judgment about your worth. If you make a mistake, do not turn one mistake into a permanent identity. If progress feels slow, do not assume that nothing is changing. Growth often happens quietly before it becomes visible. Every time you choose patience instead of panic, discipline instead of avoidance, and self-respect instead of self-criticism, you are strengthening the foundation of your confidence. This is one reason a consistent morning practice can become so valuable. It reminds you of the person you are intentionally becoming before the noise of the outside world becomes overwhelming. Inspired by ideas associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can use your imagination and self-talk as tools for directing your attention toward constructive possibilities. Take a moment each morning to picture yourself responding calmly to challenges, completing important tasks, speaking with confidence, and refusing to surrender when something becomes difficult. Do not imagine perfection. Imagine resilience. Imagine yourself getting back up. Imagine yourself making the next wise choice even after an unexpected setback. Then, when the real moment arrives, you may find it easier to respond in a way that matches the person you have been practicing becoming. Most importantly, never confuse a bad day with a bad life. A painful experience is an event, not a prophecy. A setback is information, not a final destination. Your history contains chapters, but it does not have to determine the ending. You can begin writing a different chapter through the choices you make today. Before you finish your morning routine, make yourself one simple promise. I will not abandon myself because today becomes difficult. Repeat that promise whenever doubt appears. Then prove it through action. Take the next step. Finish the task. Make the call. Learn the lesson. Apologize when necessary. Set the boundary you have been avoiding. Start the project you keep postponing. Whatever your next meaningful step is, take it with the understanding that confidence grows through movement. You do not have to wait until you feel completely ready. You become ready by moving forward. Tonight, when you look back on your day, you may discover that nothing happened exactly as planned, yet you still made progress because you refused to let circumstances decide who you would become. That is the deeper lesson. Your strongest self is not created on the easiest days. It is revealed when you choose to continue on the difficult ones. So tomorrow morning, rise with intention, speak to yourself with courage, and remember that your worst day is only one page in your story. It is not the whole story. You are still here, you still have choices, and you still have another opportunity to become stronger than you were yesterday.